Welcome to the Listen to English podcast. Learn real English for everyday life. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Listen to English podcast. My name is Alex.
And I'm Bella. Today, we're talking about introducing yourself, a simple but very important skill in English.
Yes, whether you're meeting someone at work, in a cafe, or on a trip, knowing how to introduce yourself is the first step to a great conversation. Hi, my name is Alex. What's your name?
Hello, Alex. My name is Bella. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Bella. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Australia. Do you live here?
Yes, I live in London. What about you?
I'm visiting London for 2 weeks.
Oh, that's great. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English. And you?
I'm a graphic designer.
That's interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. I can be creative every day.
Nice. Well, it was great talking to you.
Yes, see you later, Alex.
Let's review vocabulary, collocations, and expressions. Nice to meet you. A polite phrase when you meet someone for the first time. Where are you from? A question to ask about someone's country or city. What do you do? A question about someone's job.
See you later. A friendly way to say goodbye. Do you like your job? A common question about work satisfaction. Live in. Used to say where someone lives. Example, I live in London.
That's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed learning how to introduce yourself in English.
Remember to practice these phrases with your friends or classmates.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to learn English.
See you in the next episode.